Good morning. Let us start with today's session. Determine the optimum strategy in the game described by the matrix by dominance method. So here you can see there are 3 by 4 games. So this game which is given is 3 by 4. There are 3 number of strategies for player A and 4 number of strategies for player B. And now we have to apply concept of dominance. So for that I have told you just a trick which row to compare, you have to do the total. That will be becoming easy. So if I do the total, first row I am getting 19, second row 20 and third row minus 11. So it is very obvious that we have to compare this minus 11 row with this row. Compare minimum with maximum. Okay. So here you can see minus 4 is less than 5, minus 2 less than 5, 0 less than 4, minus 5 less than 6. So all the values of row 3 are less than all the values of row 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So which row is dominating here?
20. Array, second one.
Yes. Row 2 is dominating. So which row I will cancel?
Third.
Yes. A simple rule is the one which is minimum has to be cancelled out if we are going from row side. So we are getting row 3 as minimum. So this will be cancelled out. Okay. Now we have reduced it to 2 rows. So row mein reduce ho gaya. Now we have to go for column side and see whether we can reduce it to 2 or no. Okay. So for column side again, I will do the total 0, 8, 5 and 21. So compare minimum with maximum. So I will compare first this and this. Okay, compare the values. Minus 5 and 20. Minus 5 is less. 5 and 6. 5 is less.
Yes.
Yes, so I can tell that all the values of column 1, are less than all values of column 4. So I can say that column 4 is dominating. So here with what will be cancelled out?
4.
Yes, here the column number 4, that is maximum value, will be cancelled out because he is trying to minimize the loss. So this will be cancelled. Now again compare. Okay, now comparison will be between these two, 8 and 0. 8 and 0. Compare these two. So again see, minus 5 is less than 3 and these two are equal. So again I can say that column 2 is dominating. Column 2 is dominating over column 1, and because this is maximum column, this will be cancelled out. So now we are successful in reducing the entire game into 2 by 2. So here you observe that we have a game of minus 5, 1 and 5 and 4. Okay, after this, this is the minimum requirement. Now, can you tell me, can we apply further dominance? Can we apply further dominance either in row side or column side?
Row side.
Yes,
No.
sir. Row side होगा.
रो साइड में हो रहा है, रो साइड में हो रहा है, मुझे तो दिख रहा है ना रो पे.
हाँ सर हो रहा है.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Just see this. Minus 5.
Yes, sir.
If I compare first
Row
row
one
and second
cancel
row,
होगा.
minus 5 is less than 5, 1 is less than 4. That means I can say all the values of row 1, are less than all the values of row 2. So which row should be cancelled? Row 1 should be cancelled because it is giving
row
me
one cancel.
less profit. So row 1 will be cancelled. Now apply dominance in column side. So which column I should cancel? There is 5 here and there is 4 here. Column में हमेशा
one.
कौन सा cancel करते हैं?
Column.
बड़ा वाला. So column 1 will be cancelled out. So I will remain only with one value. So I can say that it is been reduced to 1 by 1. And because it is reduced to 1 by 1, I will tell that it is a pure strategy game, or it consists of a saddle point. And how I will write the answer? The answer will be value of game is equal to 4. And the strategies are, what are the strategies? Come on, tell me the answer. What are the
0, 1,
strategies?
0. 0, 0, 1, 0.
For player
0,
A,
1,
it
0.
will be. For player A, it will be
0, 1, 0.
0, 1, 0. Correct. Because this 4
0,
this 4 is corresponding to strategy number 2. Hence, 1 will be coming here at second position. Similarly, from player B side, which strategy he will be following?
0, 0, 1, 0.
Yes, because this is corresponding to 3, there will be 1 in third position, another will be 0. So answer will be 0, 0, 1, 0. And this completes the problem by dominance method. So again I have taken this example. देखो अगर किसी को further dominance नहीं करना है, I have just taken this example. Let us say someone has done only till dominance till this part, 2 by 2, जो हमने पहले किए थे. Only let us say till this part. यहाँ तक करके उसने छोड़ दिया. So what it is remaining with? he is remaining with this values 5, -5, 1, 5 and 4. Only this 4 values he is remaining with. So with this we can go by our regular procedure. Okay, so what is our regular procedure? It is like this: -5, 1, 5 and 4. I will make row minimum, so it will be -5 and 4. Maximum from this is 4. Then column side 5, 4. Maximum is 4. You can again see saddle point exists. So I will write the same answer, value of game 4, and the strategy is also same. So you can also go by this method, but it will be lengthy method. So try to reduce. अगर reduce नहीं हो रहा है, then we don't have any option then to go for this method. But if it getting reduced to 1 by 1, do it there itself by using principle of dominance.